Good morning, it is the 15th of December and this is Countdown to Christmas with JWH Millinery. So I've got a little bit of a sore throat today, so do bear with me. So start with today, number 15, and I wonder what is in here. It doesn't sound like there's anything actually in here. This disturbs me. So let's see. Ooh. So we have this turkey quill, arrow turkey quill thing. And if you wonder why I keep looking that way, it's because I've got a camera so I can actually see what's going on. So that is, these are always good to add drama to a piece. So we have one of those. Anything else? No, just the slip saying where it's from. God, this pile is this collection of items is getting bigger and bigger and bigger every single day. And today's question of the day is, how do you dye feathers and still have it look fine after dyeing? Well, I'm not a master of dyeing feathers. However, I do have a video where I dyed feathers and they all looked fine. I'll link that just here for you. So if you want to have a look at that, check that out. And in my notes for today, I'm like, it's 10 days to Christmas. 10 days. Oh. Are you ready? I'm not. I never am. I never am. Like, I really should do my Christmas shopping, like now, today. But I probably won't. So, yes, thank you very much for joining me today. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. This is a very short video, but, you know, I want to get these out every day. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. It's all listed in the description box below. Like, comment and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified every single time we release videos in the future. We're releasing videos in December every day at 8 AM. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and hopefully I can get rid of this headache. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.